Hello, welcome to Small Town Customs. My name's Troy, and today we're going to be working on this 63 split window Vette. It's a little banged up, paint scuffed on it. Not sure what happened to the bottom. Maybe the engine caught on fire, I don't know. But we're going to put some different wheels on it. We're going to strip her down, polish her up, and give her a paint job after I get done breaking it. So stick around. First thing we need to do is take it apart. Okay, we're going to have to clean our windshield up and stick her in some polish. We're going to leave the interior white, but we're going to paint the tire black, put some chrome on the rim, paint the steering wheel black. Okay, we need to drill and put our screws in, so we'll do that. Okay, we got our posts drilled. New screws put in it. Now it's time for the stripper. Now we need to get rid of these wheels. In the trash. Okay, we're going to take this to the sink, put some Dawn dish soap on it, and lightly sand it with some 2500 grit sandpaper. And then rinse it off real good, and then we'll be ready to stick it in our polish. If anybody noticed that, the wheels are not turning. It's a non-roller. Why is it a non-roller? Because I used liquid super glue to put the axles in. Why did I use liquid super glue? Because I didn't have any more gel super glue. And it's only like 1 degree outside, and I didn't feel like going to the store just to get super glue, so it is a non-roller. But that's okay. I just look at them. I don't play with them. Okay, on with the build. We need to polish our body. And I tell you what I'm tired of. I'm tired of getting these little wires all over the desk here. And they get in the carpet. And then you step on them and you get them stuck in your feet. So I came up with an idea, and I hope it works, and I'm going to show it to you right now. Okay, this is what I come up with. This is just a container of giant cheese balls there you get at Walmart. It's a plastic container. I glued a lid from a Tupperware lid on it. That way it'd keep it from rolling. It'd always keep the label in the back so I can see what I'm doing. Cut a hole in the lid. Cut a hole in the bottom of it. Now I can stick both hands in there and do everything inside this jug, like my wire wheeling, so I quit losing wires all over the carpet. I can do my polishing inside there so I don't sling polish everywhere. So I'm hoping this works out. So we're going to try it out here real quick. See if I can get the camera set right so you can see what's going on. Probably won't be able to see it very clearly inside the jug, but okay, I think that worked out pretty good. I do not have any little pieces of wire all over my table. They are inside the jug, so that's working. Thumbs up on that, DIY. Okay, we also polished our car while we had out our little DIY tub here. I'm going to take the lid off of this. I'm going to dump it out. We're going to see how much stuff comes out of it. Look at all that. Look at all that metal. That's what goes into your carpet and your floor and your workstation every time you work on a car. So I'm going to call that a win-win for me. Got our car polished up. We're ready to do some painting. Okay, now we're going to make the paint for our car. Choose the color we want out of our ink pens here. Get them at Dollar General for like, I don't know, $1.50, $2, something like that. And they're called Paper Mate Ink Joy. Get it to zoom in. There it is. Paper Mate Ink Joy. Take your ink pen apart. Make sure you have a trash can right next to you when you do this. You want to pull the whole thing out first. Just like that. Throw this way. And you want to grab the tip of it. Pull it off real slow. Throw this away. Now, you blow on this end, and all the ink will come out this end. So let me do that, and we'll be right back. Okay, we got all the ink out of the ink pen. See, there's not very much in there. Now, you want to take your alcohol. I use 91%. You want to just put about, I don't know, 5 drops. This helps break the ink up. Now you want to put your clear coat in. About 1, 2. There's about 3 full squirts. Okay, there we have it. You can probably paint about 2 or 3 cars with that. And we're going to set that to the side. Okay, we're ready to start painting. Got my mask on. Got the paint in the airbrush. There we go. Well, we got our car back from the paint booth. Oh, wrong car. There we go. I was able to turn it into a roller after all. Look at that. I was able to get the wheels freed up. Don't roll as good as the other one. Let's take a closer look at it. Why is the camera not working very good here? There we go. It's emerald green. Did the chrome the bumpers, front and back, chrome the tailpipes, chrome the door handle, did the trim and the gas cap. I painted the interior tan color like the other Corvette. Painted the tire in the back window. I tell you what, this thing is shiny. Get the dust bunnies off of it. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. I'd like to thank all my subscribers. And y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching. Oh man, I just made a mess.